This particular video guide will help you with removing the adware called LogicalUpdate. LogicalUpdate. That is the adware that has been specifically designed to attack Mac computers and its related browsers, such as Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox. But Safari is the main target of this adware. You need to be careful whenever you have discovered this adware for the first time, because the adware may display the wide range of excessive ads, and plus it may spy on your browsing habits. It may collect your personal details and even transfer this private information to third parties. Well, not all adwares are the same, but they all have got some similar features, and even the fact that it displays ads without your permission is a valid reason to get rid of LogicalUpdate as soon as possible. You need to do the following. So first of all, I will explain how to remove it manually. Go to the Safari Preferences, you will be in the General tab, and then you need to go to Extensions. Now, you need to find this LogicalUpdate adware. Click on Uninstall, then Show in Finder. So this will show you its location on your Mac. You may right-click on the program and move it to the trash. As you see, the message came up that it's impossible to move it to the trash because it's open. So click on Command Option and Escape. This will open 4 Squid applications. You need to find LogicalUpdate and force quit it. After that, you may go ahead and move the adware to the trash. So now there are no any restrictions for doing that. You can see that the adware has also been removed from the extensions list, which is very good. Now, I would also recommend you to scan your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and then click on Start Combo Scan to initiate the detailed analysis of your Mac. So far, this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, it will perform the direct and thorough analysis of your Mac computer. And at the end of scanning, the detailed report will be given. You may click on the icon or the link called Review Results, and this will immediately show you where exactly the thread is located and what particular thread it is. So you may remove each thread manually, one thread at a time, simply by clicking on this small icon that is saying Show in Finder. So you may find the location of this adware in the Finder and move it to the trash. You may do it with each specific thread, adware or malware that may be the part of your computer. So click on this icon, Show in Finder. As I said, this will show you its location, and you may remove each detected thread manually and absolutely for free. Or you may perform the automatic malware removal. However, this will be done with the premium version of the program.